Stop wasting hours manually replying to the exact same customer inquiries on the WhatsApp. It's time to automate it. So today I will show you how to leverage Pabbly Chatflow to build powerful WhatsApp automation bot that can engage your leads, send instant messages and drive conversation completely on autopilot. So whether you run an e-commerce business, real estate business or any agency, this workflow is a game changer for you. So let's see how the finished bots work in real time. Then I will show you how to set it up. So right here for testing it, let's move on towards my WhatsApp where I'm going to act as a user, and here I'm going to send a message to my business number which is saved here as my test number. So here I'm going to enter this message that is hello, and this message is going to initiate my WhatsApp automation or my WhatsApp chatbot. And here you can see that I'm getting the welcome message with two buttons, that is our services and ask questions. So here I'm going to select this first button, that is our services, and as I have selected it, I'm getting the list of the popular services provided by this particular business. And here I have created this WhatsApp chatbot for my digital marketing agency business, but you can modify it according to the business you are running. Now here I'm going to open this list and check out some services. So here I'm going to select this first service, that is social media marketing, and as I have selected this service, I'm getting the details of this service with this button, that is book consultation. So here I'm going to select this button, and as I have selected it, I'm getting a message which is asking me to enter my full name. So here I'm going to enter my full name as demo user. So I'm going to just type it. So here I have provided my full name as well, and as I have provided my full name, I'm getting a message which is asking me to enter my business name. So here I'm going to enter my business name as XYZ Limited. So here I'm going to provide my business name too, and as I have provided my business name, I'm getting a message which is asking me to enter my email address. So here I'm going to enter my email address as demo@pabblytudes.com. So here I have provided my email address too, and as I have provided my email address, I'm getting this consultation confirmation message. So now let's move on towards my Google Sheet to check whether we are receiving all these details over there or not. So right here you can see that I'm on this Google Sheet, and here I'm getting all the details which my user has filled, that is the same full name which my user has entered, the same service which my user has selected, the company name and the email too. So now you have seen that this WhatsApp chatbot is saving the data in the Google Sheet, which will help you to save your time and you can scale up your business in the rest of the time. And now let's move on towards my WhatsApp, because it's not limited to only this. And here I'm going to select the second button, that is ask question. And now here I'm getting this welcome message. Now here I'm going to enter a random question, and we will check whether we are getting the answer of that question or not. So here I'm going to enter this question, that is how do I get started? Now let's wait for the response. And now you might be thinking how I will get the response, and here you can check out that I'm getting the answer of my question. So here I have assigned AI assistant to this particular button, that is ask question, which is responding to all the queries of mine. So this automation or this WhatsApp chatbot is going to be a multitasking chatbot, which is saving the data to the Google Sheet, answering the queries of your customers, and providing all the services provided by your business to your customers or the clients within just the WhatsApp. And now you don't have to manually interact with your customers. This is going to save up a lot of your time. And now let's see how I have created this amazing WhatsApp chatbot by using an amazing automation tool provided by Pabbly, that is Pabbly Chatflow. So right here on the flow page, you can see I have already created this flow. So you can get this flow page by typing the URL, that is pabbly.com/chatflow, and once you will enter the URL, you will land to the home page of Pabbly where you will see two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user or logging your account over the Pabbly Chatflow first time, then you can just click over the sign up free. And if you are an existing user like me, then you can just click over the sign in. And if you like this automation and want to create it for your business too, then I have bought this amazing offer for you. So right on the screen you can see this discount coupon code, that is STUYT, which is going to provide you heavy and exclusive discounts on yearly and lifetime subscription plans of Pabbly. So make sure to use this discount coupon code before buying any of our Pabbly product. Now let's move on towards the flow page, where don't forget to add your WhatsApp number with the Pabbly Chatflow account. And if you want to learn this entire process, then you can check the video given on the description. Now here I have provided it the name Scale Your Sales with a WhatsApp Automation Bot, and right here you can see these messages and action blocks which is going to be act as the main building block for creating this WhatsApp chatbot flow. And here we are getting this option for trigger. So trigger is the event which initiates our WhatsApp chatbot, and here I have entered this trigger event as keyword or the regex match. So keywords are the words which initiate your WhatsApp chatbot, and here I have entered this keyword that is hello, and as I have recently interacted with my WhatsApp chatbot, I have initiated it by entering this message that is hello. So this is the same keyword, and afterwards we are getting this option for regex. So regex is basically used for the advanced user input. Now here you can also enable the skip trigger matching too, and afterwards I have used this text button node which you can get by just drag or drop, or you can get it from this message block too. And here I have entered this welcome message and created two buttons, that is our services and ask question. And afterwards I have provided this list which can be seen over the message block too, and here I have provided this body to my list, this section title, and I have added 3 items to this list. And afterwards I have provided contact custom field to all these list items. So you can think of contact custom field as a particular column which consists of the particular data. So right here I have provided contact custom field service type to all these list items. And for adding this contact custom field, I have used this node that is set custom field given over the action blocks. And if you want to create your own contact custom field, then you just have to go towards the settings where you will see this option of contact custom fields, and you will be landed to the contact custom fields page which I have already opened. And here you can create your own contact custom field by just selecting this add more field button. And afterwards I have used the text button node again where I have provided the details of this particular service, and here I have created this button that is book consultation, and I have done the same for all the list items. And now if my user select this button that is book consultation, I have asked them some question, and for that I have used this node that is ask question, and here I have entered this question asking for the full name and selected the contact custom field, and I have entered some more questions asking for the business name too. And here you can check out that I have entered this variable that is $full name. So this full name variable signifies the contact custom field which we have recently selected for this question. Now if my user will provide me answer of this question, the response will be replaced in this message node, and we will be able to send personalized message. And right here you can check out in my WhatsApp. Here I am getting this message which says thanks demo user, please enter your business name, and here this is the same name which I have recently entered. So now you have seen that by using this WhatsApp chatbot you can even send personalized messages too. And afterwards I have used this API request node which I have got from this message block, by using which I am going to integrate my Pabbly chat flow with the Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an all-in-one automation tool that integrates varieties of application. So right here you can see that inside my Pabbly Connect I have already integrated Pabbly chat flow with the Google Sheet. So here in the Pabbly chat flow I have got this webhook URL which I have entered in this API request node, and here these are the parameters for which I want to save the data, and according to these parameters I have selected my contact custom field too, and I have sent this test data to the Pabbly Connect. So here you can check out that I am getting this data, and afterwards I have used my next application that is Google Sheet, by using which I am saving the data in the Google Sheet. So here you can check out that I have mapped all these fields. So with this I have saved the data in the Google Sheet for the responses provided by my client over the WhatsApp, and at last I have entered this confirmation message. And for this button that is ask question, I have assigned AI assistant which I have got from this action block over here by using this node that is assign AI assistant. So this is the AI assistant which I have created in my Pabbly Chatflow account, and if you want to create your own AI assistant then you just have to select this AI assistant given over the side block, and afterwards it is asking me how my AI assistant should start with. So I want my AI assistant to start with the welcome message. So here I have selected the welcome message, and this is the welcome message which will be sent. And at last don't forget to save this flow by simply selecting the save button. So this is the amazing WhatsApp chatbot which will help you to scale up your business, as now you don't have to do anything manually, whether it's providing the answer of the customer queries or many more. And here this AI assistant is resolving all the queries based on the knowledge base which I have provided to it. So right here you can see that this is the brain of my AI assistant, basically a document containing the details of my business. So my AI assistant was fetching the data from this knowledge base and resolving my queries. So now you have seen how you can create this amazing WhatsApp chatbot, which is a multitasking WhatsApp chatbot. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Chatflow now. And I have provided the link of the flow which I have recently created in the description box. So make sure to check it out. And don't forget to use the coupon code STUYT before buying any of our Pabbly product. So thank you for watching this video. And not only this chatbot, you can build many more amazing chatbots like this by just using Pabbly Chatflow. So if you want to learn more about the pricings and plans that fit your needs, then you can visit the link given over here. And if you have any queries or need assistance, then you can mail us at the email provided. And if you found this video really helpful, then hit the like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such automation tutorials. So thanks for watching.